Good morning, children. Now we are going to see the next exercise, rank of a matrix. Okay, rank of a matrix. Rank. What is rank? Rank of a matrix. Already I gave you the definition, 13th definition and 14th definition. Rank of a matrix is the highest order of non-zero, non-vanishing minor of a matrix. The highest order of non-vanishing matrix. That means non-zero rows. The highest order of non-zero rows. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்னா எந்த ஒரு ரோல வந்து zeros இல்லாம அட்லீஸ்ட் சப்போஸ் யூ ஹாவ் சிங்கிள் எலிமெண்ட் இருந்தா கூட that is known as non-zero rows. So the highest order of non-zero rows is known as rank of a matrix. So in a matrix, the number of non-zero rows is known as rank of a matrix. First, now listen. In a matrix, number of non-zero rows. Non-zero rows na எல்லா நம்பரும் அந்த ரோஸ்ல ஜீரோவா இல்லாம suppose you have a number இருந்ததுன்னா that is non-zero. So non-zero, number of non-zero rows is known as rank of a matrix. Now we are going to study rank of a matrix. It has, in your syllabus, it has two methods. One is determinant method. Another one is that means another method is echelon method. Echelon method. First one is determinant method. Next one is echelon method. So if the method is mentioning, you should follow the method also. Only method only. That means you find the rank of the matrix using determinant method. அப்படிங்கிற question இருந்ததுன்னு சொன்னா find the rank of the matrix using determinant method சொன்னா you follow only determinant method. Find the rank of the matrix சொன்னா you can go either by determinant method or echelon method. Okay, keep it in your mind. Determinant method may be asked under 2-mark question. Find the rank of the matrix means it may be asked under 3-mark question, that you can go either determinant method or echelon method. Echelon method is very, very simple compared to determinant method. Okay, so first we are going to find rank of a matrix using determinant method. Okay, exercise number 1.2. First question. The given matrix is A. A is equal to, what is it? 2 by 2 matrix. A is 2 by 2 matrix. Here A is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 1, 2. Here the order of the matrix is, it has 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. To find the rank of the matrix, rank of the matrix is written by row A. Row A. This is row A nu mention pannom. This is the simple for rank of a matrix. So row A. This is the simple for rank of a matrix. So row A is less than or equal to minimum of m comma n. M represents number of rows. N represents number of columns. So minimum of m comma n. Here how many rows? 2 rows. So minimum of 2 comma. Number of columns is also 2. Therefore 2 comma 2. So rank of the matrix is less than or equal to 2. Okay. Now we have to find out less than or equal to 2 means it may be either 1 or 2. Rank of the matrix is not equal to 0. Keep it in your mind. So less than or equal to 2 means it has either 1 or 2. So now we check whether it is 1 or 2. For that, find the determinant of A. Find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is product of the elements in the principal diagonal. So 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 into minus 4, that becomes plus 4. Already we have minus sign. So 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. That means determinant A equal to 0 That means rank of the matrix is not equal to 2. If the determinant value is equal to 0, the rank of the matrix is not equal to 2. Then it should be 1. Therefore, rank of matrix A equal to 1. Clear students? Okay. Now we are going to go through the second question. So A equal to minus 1, 3, 4 minus 7, 3 minus 4. Here what is the order? How many rows are here? 3 rows are here. Then how many columns? 2 columns. Therefore 2 columns. So the order of the matrix is 3 into 2. You should read 3 by 2. Order of the matrix is 3 by 2, not 3 into 2. Okay, keep it in your mind. Okay. Then row A. Row A is less than or equal to minimum of 3, 2. This is known as row A. Row A is less than or equal to 3, 2. Number of rows 3, number of columns 2. Therefore, minimum of 3, 2. What is minimum of 3, 2? 2. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is less than or equal to 2. That may be, it may be 1 or 2. Then, if the rank of the matrix is less than or equal to 2 means the highest order of the minor. Here you have only minor is 1. But here the highest order of the minor is 2. Minor means 2 by 2 matrix. Minor of is 2 by 2. That may be minus 1, 3, 4, minus 7. Or 4, minus 7 into by 3, minus 4. Or you can take minus 1, 3, 3, minus 4. That means first 2 rows or second 2 rows or first row and third row, whatever it may be. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is here, rank of the matrix is less than or equal to 2. Therefore, the highest order of the minor is, order of the minor is, what is highest order of the minor? 2. Therefore, here we have to find out the value of the determinant. So the value of the determinant, you can take any minor. Any minor means first row, second row, or first column, second column, or first column, first row, third column. Okay, first row, second row, first row, third row, second row, third row. So you can take either first row, second row, first row, third row, second row, third row. Here first one, here first row and second row. First row, second row is the value of the determinant is 7 minus 12. That is minus 5 not equal to 0. If you take the first row and third row, that is also minus 1, 3, 3 minus 4, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, minus 9. There also you have minus 5, therefore not equal to 0. When you take the second row and third row, 4 4s are 16, minus of minus 21. That becomes plus 21. There you have 5. 5 is not equal to 0. So the order of the minor, highest order of the minor is 2, and the determinant value is not equal to 0. Therefore, rank of the matrix is equal to 2. Okay, if the determinant value equal to 0, rank of the matrix is 1. Here, first question. Here the determinant value is not equal to 0. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is 2. Okay. Then next one is, next question is third question. Third question is again same method. Next question, third question. Third question. Here they all, let us take the matrix as A. The order of the matrix is 2 rows and 4 columns. So the order of the matrix is 2 by 4. So the rank of the matrix is minimum of rows and columns. So 2 comma 4. So minimum of 2 comma 4 is equal to what is it? Minimum value is 2. Therefore, the highest order of the minor of A is 2. Now we can take either first 2 columns or next 2 columns, second column and third column, or you can take first column and third column and last column, or any other columns. So you can take 2 by 2 matrix, that is highest order of the minor of 2. So when you take 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma minus 2 and 3 comma minus 6, first 2 columns. When you simplify, you will get 0. But when you take the first column and the last column, sorry, the third column and the last column, when you take the third column and last column, here you have not equal to 0, minus 1 plus 0, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, here at least one minor is not equal to 0. Keep it in your mind, students. Here, if the minor of the matrix is equal to 0, but at least one of the minor is not equal to 0, at least one of the minor is not equal to 0, then the rank of the matrix is 2. But the previous problem, the rank of all the minors are equal to 0. Therefore, the rank is 2. But here, the at least one minor is not equal to 0. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is 2. Clear, students? Then, next question. Then fourth question here. Fourth question. Here the matrix A equal to 3 by 3 matrix. A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore, rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 by 3. Okay? 3 comma 3. So what the values are same, therefore equal to 3. Here what is the highest order? Highest order is 3. So highest order of the minor means here you have only 3 by 3 matrix. So find the determinant value. Determinant value, when you expand and simplify, determinant value is 4, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, rank of A is equal to 3. Determinant value is not equal to 0. Rank of A equal to 3. The next question. Here the order of the matrix is 3 by 4. 3 rows and 4 columns. So rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 comma 4. Minimum of 3 comma 4, here you have 3. Highest order of the matrix is 3. So consider the determinants 3 of order 3. Consider the determinant of order 3. The previous question, we have only one matrix. Okay. Therefore, it's not equal to 0. The order is 3. But here we can take first row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column. Or you can take first column, third column, fourth column. Or you can take second column, third column, fourth column, whatever it may be. At least one determinant value is not equal to 0, then the rank is 3. Here, when you take the first column, second column, and third column, the determinant value is equal to 0. Then you cannot say the order is 2. Okay. Consider some other determinant of order 3. When you take first column, third column, and fourth column, expanding column wise. When you expanding column wise, first one is 0. Second one is next one here 0. Then third one 8. Okay. So 8 into, when you take 8 means 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Here also expanding column wise 0, minus 0, 0, maybe it may be minus or plus, both are same. Then 8, 8 into 3 2s are 6 minus 4. Therefore, 2, 16, which is not equal to 0. So, one minor, at least one minor is not equal to 0. At least one minor is not equal to 0 means the rank of the matrix is equal to 3. Rank of the matrix is 3. Therefore, this is known as rank, find the rank by determinant method. Okay. Are you clear, students? If you have any doubt, you ask me. Okay. Next one, second question. Rank by row reduction method. This is known as echelon method. First one is determinant method. Next one is row reduction method. Row reduction method means bring it to the echelon form. Bring it to the echelon form. Okay. Then next one is row reduction method. எதுல இருக்குன்னு தெரியல நானு. ரெஸ்யூம் கொடுக்கட்டுமா? இதுல இருக்கு. நான் இப்போ இது முடிஞ்சிட்டோம் இல்லையா? ஓகே. என்னை இப்படி படுத்தக்கூடாது உபேந்திரா நீ. ஆன்ல இருக்கா ஆஃப்ல இருக்கா தெரியல.
கேமரால போய் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிருந்த அம்மாவா பேசுறது.